Martin Luther King Jr. said, freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. I am of the view, I am of a strong belief that it is high time we must tell our ZANU-PF oppressors that your days in this oppressive game are numbered. And to the people of Zimbabwe, maybe I will not get another chance to talk to you again.
Yes.
You are never going to get freedom freely given to you by the ZANU-PF leaders, the ZANU-PF gangsters, the ZANU-PF mafia, the ZANU-PF hooligan system, the ZANU-PF bloodthirsty cult. They are never going to give you the freedom that you want.
Yes.
It is high time every Zimbabwean stands up to demand their freedom.
Yes.
We demand our freedom as Zimbabweans. Even though I am a preacher, but I am a Zimbabwean citizen, I have a right to speak my mind.
Yes.
It is enshrined in the Constitution. I have freedom of speech. I have freedom of expression. What I don't like, I don't like. What is not right is not right.
Yes.
It doesn't matter how many people you are going to kill in this country. It is not going to change some of us. We are ready to die with our beliefs.
Yes.
We are ready to die with our principles.
Yes.
We are ready to die with our convictions.
Yes.
You are never going to take that away from me. I am ready to die. If I am going to die tomorrow, this ferret, bogus hooligan task force, if they catch up with me today or tomorrow, people of Zimbabwe, you should know that I am not going to give up on what is right. Zimbabwe has lost so many lives. Zimbabwe has had so much blood shed on the basis of people who stood up to say this is not right. You may have silenced the cowards, but I am not one of those cowards.
Yes.
And this mumwe magwara.
Mazimbabwe novandagara na kuzani nyamwaka. Mukando uya ku Mozambique tukukubetani stereke. Hamudziwe zvanhu zvakuita imwe. Muri madzenga ogoga. Mweka hamuoni kuti muri kushupika. Hamuoni kuti muri kushupika. Munonamba muchiti Mnangagwa zanu muchirara na nzara na wakazwanu na muzinyumba zanu. Basa kundo barana muchindowanda muchishupika. Kara makata watabvi wanu waku Mozambique wanashupika, wanu waku Mozambique mamoskeni. Nyamunsi munauya kubuda ku Zimbabwe kuya hoda matemba, mwana kutengesa matemba imwe. Izvo mwana za Zimbabwe kuna ma industry munalekana nyi kuisenza ikoko. Mudaya valiranyi. Muri madzenga menze wana ku Zimbabwe. Ulendo uno ndikuoneni muya kuya hoda matemba kana mapeza kuvotera Mnangagwa wanu muya ku hoda matemba. Uona mjuvula ma industry anu kana mapeza kuvota. Ui ndikakuona muya kusunza Mozambique da kubetani chaizvo. Mva matogale mazvidziwa izvozvo. Ise pano kuwanwa ku Mozambique tikandokubva uchitaura kuti Mnangagwa tikukuthamangisa letu. Abo muri wananyi mwe. Ikhali papa pana mphale wa mukutaura kuti abvichamisa. Ikhali papa pana mphale wa abvichamisa. Muona kuti anadza chitini. Chinjani muliwo. Every day kuti jana terere idyani una nyama nyamutsi. Madzenga awanu muvotere Mnangagwa ndikubveni mari yabo apeza.